Hey everybody, Anthony August here, and I'm coming at you with a big announcement. I'm super excited and proud to be a part of the Collision Drumsticks family. So why Collision Drumsticks? Well, I'll tell you this. I've played for many years and I've tried lots of different drumsticks and I could never find the right pair. Nothing just fit right. The feel, the weight, the size, everything. It was always something. So until I came across Collision Drumsticks and they fixed that problem. So I'm excited about this, very excited about this. I use their 5A drumsticks with the black and then the wood tips. This was my favorite for a couple reasons. First of all, I want to tell you that they feel great. I mean, they're really awesome. I do a lot of stick spinning and, and things going on in the back and a lot of different styles. So they feel very comfortable. Another reason is they're extremely durable. I mean, I beat the heck out of these things, and they keep going and going and going. So keep a licking and keep ticking, right? Something like that. And of course, versatility. Versatility is huge with drumsticks. I mean, there's a lot of different things, especially if you're somebody like me who plays a lot of different styles. You want to have some availability there, and they really do a great job of that. So I'm very, very happy to be a part of the family and excited to have a long future with them. So thank you so much, Collision Sticks. And hey, everybody else, check them out. You got to try them. They're amazing. I promise you won't be disappointed.